Hi, my name is Scott Pohl. I'm from On Track Pro Shop. We're here at Concord Lanes today, and we're going to be talking about how to choose a bowling ball to fit your needs. What is real important, the first thing, if possible at all, is to have your Pro Shop operator watch you bowl. There's a lot of factors to consider with the correct bowling ball to get, and make sure it matches for how you throw the ball. We have 3 different bowling balls in front of us here. Obviously we have sort of a shiny looking ball, we have a really dull porous bowling ball, and we have one in between that, let's just say, it's very smooth. Each one matches up to a certain style of bowler. So for instance, the shiny bowling ball here is a lot harder surface, if you will. It's actually fairly slippery, so it's going to get down the lane a lot easier before it starts to hook. For an example, the type of player for this, someone who throws the ball a little slower, or also someone who's playing on a little bit drier lanes, this one's going to match up much better. Conversely, the duller, porous bowling ball is going to start hooking a lot sooner. So what we want to do for this bowler, it's going to typically be the person who throws it a little harder, or they're bowling on a lot oilier lane condition, and we want to see the ball hook a lot stronger amount. And vice versa, we have one in the middle, typically the most versatile bowling ball, someone who has those medium speed, medium revs, looking for just that average type of hook. This is going to be most likely the most popular one.